But of course, we are under NGCQ, so all our topics are to be objective. Yeah? We go straight to the point. And what is important is we only discuss important issues concerning us in the barangay. Now, we have actually visitors from DILG and from the DSWD that they will be giving us update. Also, the mayor will be coming later on. And if you observe, the City Health Office is conducting the rapid test for barangay officials who are here. So, what is happening is that there is a form given to you. Just fill up what is required only, and then wait for your turn. So that it will not be magulo dahil meeting tayo. Yeah? So, before we proceed, as I said, most of our topics today are just announcements with regard to the agenda presented. I hope you have a copy here, but there are other matters that we have to discuss. So, siguro tatlo we can proceed immediately. We immediately give the floor to the DILG because they have a very important announcement regarding the reportorial requirement of our barangay. So, ito tayo dagos ni Ma'am, please.
Good morning. Maganda. Kamusta kayo ako? Okay, for the past weeks, the office has been re-engineering. We're trying to come up with online reporting system kasi nga ang policy pa rin ng office ngayon is no visitors policy. So, we've been trying to coach your secretaries. I hope nag-feedback na kanyayo to do the reporting online. Okay? So, the work is in progress. We have shortened initially ang daming links. But the office was able to come up with 4 links. Ito na yung lahat ng requirements sa office. First is application for certifications. Loan, medical, hospitalization, for civil service, legal intents, and other certifications. Online na po lahat yan. Okay? So kung may pupunta sa office, binabalik namin, let your secretary do the application online. We acknowledge it online. We give you the certification online, and we ask the secretaries to do the feedback online. Okay? So yun po yun, application for certifications online. And then also, submission of GAD plan and budget for review, online na rin po ito. So GAD accomplishment report and plan, we ask your concerned secretaries to submit them online. There's a specific link for this. Yan. Another is reports. Marami tayong reports, monthly, quarterly, semestral, annual, together with your minutes of meetings, lahat na rin po yan online. So far, di nakita kami ng problem, may mga reports po na sinasubmit na unsigned. So hindi po yan considered na official report pag unsigned po yung report. Okay? So, once na nag-submit po yung mga secretaries nyo, may time stamp po yun. So, nakalagay po doon kung anong date and time na na-submit ninyo, and then i-acknowledge na rin po. Okay? So, we have been doing some coaching. Ang first na nakita namin is, meron pa pong barangays na awan internet connection da. Madami po yata. Baka yun po yung kailangan nating, Sir Mike, isang concern, yung internet connection ng mga barangay. So, with the new normal na sa atin, mostly ang meetings namin with your secretaries are through Google Meet, Zoom, ganyan. So, marigatan da ako pag walang internet connection. So, baka pwedeng you think this over dun sa budget po ng barangay. Online na po yung submission. Siyempre, ang kagandahan naman nito is hopefully less na sa paper. Kasi nagiging paperless na yung submission. Okay? So, yun po yung niraise nila na isang concern nila. And then, kung may mga katanungan po, we have a link to schedule an online consultation with your respective district officer, DILG officer. So, you just request for an online conference, we can coach you online. Yan. So, pag may kailangan po kayo, and you want parang video type, video teleconferencing, we can do that, we can schedule that. O kaya you can just call us naman po. Okay, so we have 4 links. Again, application of certifications, God plan and budget, submission of reports, all reports, monthly, quarterly, semestral, and annual. And then, the schedule for online teleconferencing with your DILG officer. Okay? So, marami naman na po yung mga secretaries na nakaka-catch up. Marami yung mga, nagtutulungan din sila. That's what we appreciate sa secretaries natin. They coach each other as well. So, that's good. Okay? So, for now, yun po yung na-feedback sa amin na pinaka-urgent na need nila is the internet connectivity. Sana magawa ng paraan, included in your budget sana. And make sure na lahat ng sinasabi ng secretaries ninyo, na-review po ninyo. Baka dahil madali lang mag-click at mag-submit, eh hindi nadadaan sa inyo. That's not considered official if it's unsigned. Okay, so far yan lang po ang aming announcement during your meeting. Thank you po.
Okay, anyway, as discussed by Ma'am, isuti trend ng gawin. We are going towards online. Yeah? Binan, tata. Blended or whatsoever, what to call it. So, I hope you got the message of Ma'am. And if ever we have some questions or query, you have the numbers with it, yeah? We can, but can we visit your office? No.
No.
Bawal? Mayat, tahon dapat ako reklamo dyan yun. Bawal. Reklamo na ng barangay officials. So, before we continue, may I first announce the next tent at mga dagiti sa mga pulong